The biggest upheaval since the investiture was the construction of the so-called Inner Relief Road, which meant the demolition of 100 homes. Now the town centre itself is undergoing some inner relief of a different kind. A revitalisation programme that planners hope will involve a £50 million investment of public and private money.
Caernarfon has had to live with its past, I must admit that. And things have not gone too well for the town since 1969. But within the town, more things are improving all the time. Streets have been pedestrianised. We hope now we can look forward to the next 3, 4, 5 years and hope that Caernarfon returns to its former glory. And I'm very optimistic about it.
But the building work can't disguise an underlying problem. With more than 24 shops empty, Caernarfon has struggled to rise out of the recession. Those who have seen the good times with the bad say there's a danger of talking down a town, so it makes it impossible to recover confidence.
As a boy, seeing it so busy here, it's been heartbreaking seeing Caernarfon going down. But going down again is a thing that's happened to so many towns and cities throughout the country. We have been extremely unlucky in Caernarfon with very, very big fires. 2 stores in Caernarfon were burnt to the ground. But on the other hand, money is coming into Caernarfon in more ways than one, and I'm extremely thankful for that.
The pictures presently being changed in Caernarfon include the transformation of the Victoria Dock, £1.5 million being spent this year alone. Refurbishing shops, offices and homes by a trust spending £300,000 this year. Pedestrianisation schemes and moving the bus station away from the main square, £1 million. And the building of a supermarket on the edge of town, a £5 million development. The people of Caernarfon wait to be impressed.
They're a bit of a botch up at the moment, aren't they, until they finish. But I suppose it'll be alright when they finish.
It's going to look nicer. We've got a lot to do there.
Well, the generation has changed, so we've got to go with it.
As the tourist buses arrive for what's usually a short stay in the town, the clipboards and questionnaires come out to canvass their views on the attractions on offer. One thing comes over clearly, that Caernarfon needs more than just the 700-year-old structure to survive.
The castle mainly attracts only tourists, so it's the Caernarfon's really only attraction. And Caernarfon's main function is only of tourism. So essentially the castle really provides nearly all of the tourists.
One day during the next 25 years, Prince William may well stand here during his investiture as Prince of Wales. But what will he see from this balcony? Will it be a Caernarfon basking in newfound prosperity, or a town still searching for better days?